How to buy coin on Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy coins on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to buy coin on Trust Wallet, which coin and which crypto do you want to buy? It just really depends upon that. So you can go ahead and first of all enter and log into your Trust Wallet account, and you'll find the buy option from the top, which you can use to just tap the buy option here, and then you should be able to see all these sorts of details that you can see. So from here you can just go ahead and select any of the coins that you would like to buy depending upon which crypto you're looking for, and then from there you can just go ahead and enter the US dollars equivalent worth of crypto that you want to buy. Tap the buy option to confirm the payment details, and then you will be able to buy them. This way you can buy coin on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.